Hey guys, Steven here. I've got a wasp nest on my back porch, and today I'm going to show you how I got rid of it with just some alcohol, a cup, and some double stick tape. So what I've done here is I've taken a clear cup and I've put around the rim, the full rim of the cup, double stick tape. I'm going to use a pole to get that cup filled with a little bit of alcohol in and up to the nest and over the nest. Here I'm just going to peel these, the backing of this double stick tape. I'm using an ultra high bond strength tape. It's a foam tape so that it'll contour to the wood. And I've just filled it up just about a half an inch, 3/4 of an inch with alcohol. There's my nest up at the top of the patio, and I'm just going to carefully, using the pole, slide that cup right over that nest. And you can see right away that those wasps are not very happy, but it doesn't take very long for them to fall into the alcohol and for them to die. And now this is being done without any harsh chemicals. This is right, whoops, it slipped a little bit, but I was able to push it back up and get it sealed. This is right over my door where we come in and out, and I didn't want to spray chemicals where my kids walk in and out of the house. This is after about 30 to 45 minutes, and the cup is still up there. It looks like it was holding really well. I think this did a great job, and I would definitely do it again. There's one guy that's still on the outside trying to get into the nest. I can take care of him later, but the majority of the nest is dead. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check out my other videos where you can learn how to take care of your house responsibly, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.